Hello TypePad community. We're so excited that we've been able to add TypePad support to Blogsy. We hope you enjoy it, and please give us feedback after you played with it a little bit. This is just a general overview, so there's a lot of details that I'm not going to cover, things you can do within Blogsy. Please, when you have some time, check out our how-to videos. You can get to them through the settings menu, how-to videos, and they will open in our built-in browser. Or if you'd rather watch them on your desktop or from some other location, you can go to blogsyapp.com/how-to and you'll find them all there. The first thing you're going to want to do is set up your TypePad account. So tap on TypePad or tap on Service Settings, Service Settings, and then TypePad, and then add a new TypePad account. Once you put in your email and password, just tap Sign In. And it automatically adds any blogs you have related to that account. If later you add another blog associated with that account, just come back here and tap Add a new TypePad account, put in the same account information, and hit Sign In again, and it will add it to the list. You don't have to delete any of your old blogs that you already have set up in Blogsy. And if you ever want to delete a blog here, you can just come back here, slide your finger across the title, and you'll get to the delete button. Actually, this is common UI throughout Blogsy if you want to delete something. Okay, so we have our account set up. This is the main posting area. The first thing you're going to want to know is about this gear and pencil button. This really important button. It's to our post info menu. Anything related to a post you will find here. Here, let's go down and choose your blog. So the blogs we just set up are down here, so we choose that. And now that'll be the blog that we're currently going to post to. And you'll see all the different options you can set for your post. The title, the date, keywords, categories, is it a draft or not, set your comments, your post type, do you want it to be a post or page. Each one of them has the options that you want to set for your post. Local, any local posts will be listed here. Anything you have saved locally will be listed here. And online, any posts that you have online that you want to edit, or that you'll just find online whether you want to edit them or not. So you go and find your your blog, tap on it, and it'll give you posts and pages, and it will list them, and then if you tap on one of them, it will open in Blogsy, and you can actually make any changes and then update that post online. Over here is the plus button, and this creates a new post. Anything that you're currently working on that you've created in Blogsy, or an online post that you've made changes to. I haven't made any changes to this. I know that because this circle here is empty. So if I've made a change to it, or I've been working on a post and I haven't published it yet, and I tap on this, it creates a new one and saves that one locally. It'll be listed here. Okay, so let's get started. Let's add some text here. Just some random stuff so you guys don't have to see me type a bunch of stuff out. Okay, oh, and let's put a title. TypePad. Okay, and you can do title and date from here or in the post info menu. Okay, what's a post without some content? So we've incorporated Picasa, Flickr, YouTube, Google Image Search, web browser, and your local iPad media. And also, you'll notice when you set up your account, we set up an icon here for your media for your TypePad account. We can't access that media, so what you'll find under here are only the images that you've uploaded to TypePad, your TypePad blog, from within Blogsy. Blogsy just remembers what you've done. Okay, so let's tap on Picasa, and then let's go My Photos. And how quickly they load it comes down to how good your internet connection is. And once they've loaded, you can put your finger on an image and drag it over. And here, the best way to introduce an image that you've dragged in is along this left-hand column, and it has to be around a gray triangle. So below a gray triangle, above a gray triangle. So once you've done this, you can choose the alignment, and let go at that alignment if you want it. If you want to put it after a different paragraph, you need to scroll up and down. Use a second finger to scroll up and down and get it to place. And take your time. It takes practice, but it's not that hard once you get the hang of it. And let go, and you'll notice it's blurry, but you're getting a little loading box in here, and it's going out and fetching from the internet the real image and replacing it, and once it's fully loaded, you'll get the clear picture. Now you can tap on this and you'll get the image settings menu, and you can go through and see, you can set the width and height and the link URL and open in a new one, and also the delete button if you ever want to delete one, and also the text alignment. So here, for example, if we do that, you'll notice the text now jumped up to the right of the image. And you also notice here, since we've done that, now the triangle, the gray triangle where you can type, is up here. So if you try to tap here below the image, you're not going to be able to type. You need to type up here where a gray triangle is, or you can actually type where there's text already in place. And YouTube video, you can do the same thing with a YouTube video. So we tap on that, it shows the videos you have on your account, and you just drag it in the same as before. And if you notice now, we're putting it down here. Let's see, if we let go, with YouTube videos, they're always going to be here left aligned below. They're not going to be aligned to the right. And if you tap on this, you get the video settings, you get all the different options that you can do for your videos. And here you can select text, let's see, and you get all these options up here. Do you want to bold it? Do you want it to be italics, left alignment, right alignment, any font family? You can make any changes up here that you want. And also another thing that obviously most people want to do is set a link. So if you select the text you want to use for your link, you can tap here and do link, and you'll get the link menu, and you can paste in the URL here and do your other settings to create the link. But we think we have a cooler way to create a link. So first, again, you have to select the text you want to use for your link, and then open our built-in browser. And here, this will be the URL. So you can search here on the internet for some site that you want, and then once the URL is here and the site is fully loaded, we have this link drag in button. Put your finger on it, drag it over. As soon as you drag it over, you can see it's already created the link. So you don't have to drag over the selection you actually made, and let go and your link is created. So you can either make a link through the link menu by pasting in the URL, or you can drag one in from the browser. Easy way to make links. And here, natively, we have 3 fingers to get to the HTML side, and you can edit the HTML side if you want. You just have to write all the tags yourself, and to get back is 3. But we have a setting in the settings menu if you want to do 1 finger flipping instead. And also, let's see, the local iPad photos. If you want to use any photos you have on your iPad, some pretty nice photos, huh? You'll notice that for each blog you set up, or Picasa, Flickr, each account you set up, you're going to get an envelope. And choose here the images you want to use. So I'll use, it doesn't really matter, Coffee Grinder, and just drop it into that blog. It'll be uploaded to that media library for that blog, and you can do multiple ones at the same time. So let's say we do the same or different image. Oh yeah, you can tap on to see a larger image if you want. I could do that one, or do multiple to the same one. And once you tap the upload, it's going to confirm, are you sure you want to upload these? Sure, upload. And here you'll start to see that they get uploaded, and you can type rest of your post while they're uploading. Once the images have finished uploading, you'll see here they're full now. You can just, same as before, drag them in, and they'll go out and load the clear image from the internet. They'll stretch out, and here you're going to get these images you previously uploaded. If you want to upload more, tap up here at the top, Library. If you want to see the ones, and you can drag and upload more. If you want to see the ones that you last uploaded, tap on Uploaded. Or you can go to the place where you've uploaded them. So we know one of these images we uploaded to the TypePad Media Library. So if I tap on that, that's the image I uploaded to the TypePad Media Library. And Blogsy will save all the images you've ever uploaded from within Blogsy to your TypePad Media Library. A couple other things. One, the More tag. If you put a More tag in, here, tap the More tag. In Blogsy, we call it a More tag, but for TypePad, this means Split Extended Entry. So don't get confused about that. And finally, do you want to post? There's two ways. You can go back up to our Post info menu, and you'll get this Publish button. You can tap on it, and if you're updating, this button will change the word depending on if you're updating or creating a draft. The wording will change. But if you want it to get online, this is where you do it. Or, so it's 3-finger swipe up. Just use 3 fingers, swipe up, and you can post it. So let's see here. You want to confirm it's TypePad, what blog you're sending it to, and is it going to publish, or is it a page? Is it a post? Is it a draft? And then the type. Is it a post or page? So kind of a confirmation before you do it. Tap OK, and it's going to publish it. And once it's published, it clears it from Blogsy. That way you know once it's published, it's not in Blogsy anymore. If you want to edit it, you have to pull it back off the net, so you don't have 2 different copies, one on the net and one in Blogsy, that can become different. And that's TypePad in Blogsy. Enjoy, guys. We look forward to your feedback.